Innovation in residential culture. Kiturami is at the center of that change. Kiturami has led Korean boiler industry since its founding, growing into the country's leading company in the industry. Kiturami was awarded the honor of top residential boiler brand by the Korea Brand Power Index and the highest score in the National Brand Competitiveness Index. Kiturami is the proud owner of over 600 invention patents, intellectual property rights, design utility model patents, domestic and foreign certifications, and international standards. Kiturami jumped into new markets with its know-how from their subsidiaries, Kiturami Bumyeong Air Conditioning, Shinsung Engineering, and Century in the field of refrigeration and air conditioning. Kiturami is growing into an energy device developer such as heating, air conditioning, refrigeration, as well as new and renewable energy industry that leads low-carbon green growth. Kiturami continues its strides to create the best and optimal heating and cooling culture. The history of Kiturami is the history of Korean boilers. Based on Korea's traditional ondol heating culture, Kiturami opened an era of residential boilers in Korea by installing boiler heating units in Korea's first apartment complex, Mapo Apartments, in 1960s. With its improvement of ondol heating system, which uses water pipes to heat the floor, Kiturami developed KS-1, Korea's first oil-fueled boiler in 1970. In the 1990s, city gas system was introduced and allowed large corporations to import and distribute instantaneous gas water heaters from Europe, while Kiturami developed storage-type gas boilers based on the ondol heating system. With firm conviction to enhance technologies. Kiturami received the Gold Tower Order of Industrial Merit at Korea's Technology Awards. In addition, the chairman was selected as one of the 60 engineers who built Korea and 100 Korean technology leaders. Kiturami will continue to support the growth of the Korean industrial machinery technology. Reverse condensing boiler and premium gas boiler are Kiturami's world-class inventions that applied condensing technology to hot water storage boiler structure. AST condensing gas boiler is a result of combining secondary heat exchange condensing technology in instantaneous gas boiler structure. Clean heat electric hot water and heating system, a new indirect heating technology that can provide hot water and heat air at the same time. Cascade system, a combination of small boilers that can replace conventional industrial boilers and drastically improve operation efficiency. IoT boiler system, making it easier to use boilers using smart technologies. Reverse condensing oil boiler, much lighter and smaller but more efficient. Micro CHP, a cutting-edge residential cogeneration system, will lead the future heating unit market. Kiturami pellet boiler is an environmentally friendly developed for and exported to China. Smart ondol pad, Kiturami's newest technology developed to distribute Korean traditional ondol culture to the world. In addition, Kiturami puts customer safety first. Kiturami developed and patented technologies for a gas leak detector and an earthquake detector to prevent natural disasters. Its efforts earned Kiturami's reputation as a leader that manufactures the safest products. 98% of its products are manufactured or developed in Korea, and the production capacity of 1.2 million units a year. Cheongdo plant is capable of streamlined manufacturing processes, and it uses SMT facility that connects electronic parts to PCB service via soldering. In addition, its automated inspection facility maximizes production and section-by-section inspection capability. Not only BLDC automatic winding machines can manufacture 550,000 products a year at maximum capacity, as well as heat exchanging brazing furnace enable fully automatic large-scale production. Kiturami develops and manufactures each major part in order to secure the superiority and uniformity of product quality, thereby realizing its founding goal of manufacturing the world's best products. Cutting-edge heating and cooling product manufacturing complex, Kiturami Asan plant ensures safety and enhances efficiency by using state-of-the-art automation facilities such as laser welding devices for manufacturing hot water storage heat exchange boiler units. Simultaneous manufacturing of boilers, air conditioners, and refrigeration units, and year-round operating without downtimes ultimately drives down manufacturing costs. This leads to remain competitive in the market trend of fusing heating and cooling units, while establishing stable foundation for growth. Kiturami Energy supplies city gas to 400,000 households in the center of Seoul and responds to customers' demands for energy. Also, Kiturami Energy striving to expand the supply of domestic city gas and ensure stable supply. With dedicated investment and efforts for R&D in the field of refrigeration and air conditioning, Kiturami obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and KS certification, in addition to KEPIC certification for nuclear power plants. In addition, Kiturami acquired Public Testing Facility certification, High-Efficiency Energy Device certification, as well as AMCA SEAL certification. Kiturami has also received ASME certification for boiler, pressure vessel, and nuclear power plant facilities. Furthermore, Europe's CE and United States UL certification. In the overseas plant sector, based on 35 local networks in 30 countries, Kiturami supplies HVAC equipment to power plants, chemical plants, automobile, and semiconductor factories. Especially in the Middle East, Africa, and South America, Kiturami has provided optimal air conditioning systems to cope with the harsh environment, such as hot air, sand winds, and daily temperature range differences. Kiturami is recognized for its high efficiency and environmentally friendly technology over Dubai, China, Vietnam, Saudi Arabia, Libya, Algeria, and Mexico. Accordingly, Kiturami won the top $30 million Export Tower Award for its contribution to the increase of exports. Participating in the construction of Hanbit Nuclear Power Plant Reactor No. 1 in Korea, next-generation model Westinghouse AP1000 in China, and UAE Baraka Reactor No. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For 3 decades, Kiturami conducted design, manufacturing, technical support, supervision, testing, and inspection for HVAC and air cleaning devices. Based on such experience and trust, Kiturami is holding the largest delivery performance in Korea and exporting worldwide. In particular, world's largest engineering firm Bechtel recognizes the level of Kiturami technology and uses the Kiturami's refrigeration and air conditioning system. Onboard refrigeration and air conditioning is a specialized area that requires a higher level of technology. Kiturami develops and delivers dehumidifiers, freezers, special air ventilation systems, and cutting-edge HVAC facilities to military warships and submarines. In addition, Kiturami has delivered the most product units to the military and the maritime police in Korea, making great contributions to Korean shipbuilding industries climb to the top. Kiturami won the Jong Young-sil Award from the Ministry of Science and Technology for developing Korea's first dry room system. Kiturami built clean rooms and heat and humidity-resistant facilities for Samsung, LG Chemical, and Hynix. also specializing in producing BioSac air conditioner enabling sterilize up to 95% of H1N1, MERS, and the virus. Developed geothermal high-efficiency heat pump and introduced differentiated methods of construction outdoor drilling. As a leader of new and renewable energy such as public and private buildings, Kiturami constantly works on its improvement and development of new technology. Kiturami developed customized for Korean vacuum waste collection piping system, which is installed in Songdo New City, Sejong City, and other large apartment complexes. Kiturami is making its best efforts to develop and distribute systems for low-carbon, green growth. With its principle of walking the righteous path, Kiturami has been returned the support from domestic and overseas customers and recirculates its profits to the community. Since the beginning of its history, Kiturami has contributed 270 billion Korean won for 30 years in order to establish and operate Kiturami Culture Foundation in 1985 and Kiturami Welfare Foundation in 2003. Kiturami continues to share corporate profits with the community at large. Kiturami Culture Foundation has provided scholarships to 50,000 students, including the funds for academic research, universities, and institutions, a total amounting of 40 billion Korean won. Beginning by Housewives Volunteer Service Group in 1995, Kiturami donated 50 billion Korean won to found Kiturami Culture Foundation and approved in 2003. For the 20 years, Kiturami Welfare Foundation has served social welfare institutions including nursing homes and facilities for the handicapped. Received the commissioned and operated social welfare center in Gangso-gu office since 2016 and growing into a comprehensive social welfare foundation. In addition, Kiturami works with TBC Broadcasting Culture Business and conducts diet food business Dr. Robin Project. Kiturami also built a hot spring spa near the DMZ and contributed to the benefit of local residents and the local economy by creating and operating a cultural and leisure area including Insult 27 Golf Club on the suburban area of Gimpo Airport. After maintaining integrity, honesty, and modesty for the past 50 years, Kiturami will continue to work for a better world with constant dedication.